Even before I start this video, I just want you to watch a short clip of Andrew Tate on height.
I think this is kind of similar to a lot of people come at me and they say, well, yeah, Andrew, it's easy for you to have an iron mindset because you're so sexy and gorgeous and perfect. And I try and explain.
Bad things happen.
Bad things happen. And there's absolutely no advantage in life to looking at one of your disadvantages and accepting it as a massive disadvantage to the point where it detriments your mindset. So I'll give you an example. I had a guy who came to me and said, Tate, you're a G, but I'm 5'4". And it's hard because girls don't like short guys. And I said, yeah, that's true. It is hard. And you're right. It is a disadvantage. Because what should I do? I said, do the exact same thing as if you were tall. Don't try and walk around with your chest puffed out or nothing. But if you were 6'4" and you go up to a girl and you're only 5'4", go up to the girl because you can't change it. There's no point in trying to imagine some scenario where it doesn't exist, right? Once things have become finalized, once it's binary, once it's 1 or 0, you are 5'4" and that is not going to change. You may as well stop seeing it as a disadvantage and just live your life as if you were the size you want it to be.
Yeah.
And that's the best possible approach on the chessboard. You have to look at life that way, right?
Also get into great shape.
Yeah, and you can look at the chessboard and say, my position's bad, but this is the best move.
I am 5'8" and tallest in my family. But do you remember in school we used to stand in ascending order during the prayer, like shortest to tallest? And yes, I was the third guy from the shortest. Even 50% girls were taller than me in my class. And then the college came and I was one of the shortest guys in my class. But here is the question. Am I really short? Look, when I was 12, my parents told me that you can increase your height till 16. When I reached 16, people told me that you can advance your height till 18. And now I am 18 and people are saying that I can increase my height till 21. Isn't that funny? First of all, a guy must be 6'2" is very overrated. Just think about it. 5, 10, 15 years ago when there was not that much internet, were people insecure about their height? No. People were just running towards government job and some their shit. There was no one who was asking for you that what is your height and bragging that I am 6'2" and I am 6'3". Isn't that just something foolish we made ourselves through internet? Every girl gets attracted to a successful guy who is funny, who is successful, who is a class topper. That type of guy gets attracted by most of the girls. And just look around you and you also know that in the real world, success is everything. And if you are a class topper, if you are ambitious, then the girl will automatically get attracted to you even though you have like a fucking 5'4", 5'6" or a 5'7" height. It doesn't matter. This happens till to this date. If you don't believe me, just go out and watch the boyfriend of the girls. That 90% of the boyfriends are dead bods. 90% of the boyfriends don't have a 6'2" or 6'3" height. They are just normal human beings like 5'8", 5'10", 5'6". But they are doing something in life. They are earning money. They are caring for their loved ones. That's what matters. They just have one thing, and that is status. Status of a topper, status of a earning man, status of a funny guy, status of a best employee, status of a manager, status of a good dancer. It doesn't matter that what is your status, but if you are pursuing something very ambitiously, then bro, automatically girls will get attracted to you. You will just have to put some effort in your appearance, like how do you dress. You have to increase your fashion sense. You have to change your hairstyle into something good which actually suits you. You have to become ambivert. The guy must be 6'2" is only limited to the internet. That is not applicable in the real world. And I have seen that literally, and you have also seen that there are boyfriends who are short but their girlfriend it's like a hot chick. You are not really short. You are just brainwashed that you have to be 6'2" to achieve something in life. So go out and just get some real skills, get some decent physique, get a charm of your own, get ambitious towards something, make real money and care about others. That's what all matters in the end. Height is not gonna take you anywhere. And by just doing these things, you will be able to attract crazy amount of girls. I'm not disrespecting height at all, but it's just a plus point in your appearance. If you don't have it, it doesn't mean that your life is over. You have to overcome this silliness that you have to be 6'2", 6'3", and promise yourself that you will never ever watch another video of how to increase height, some fucking shit like that. Be what you are. Do not change yourself for someone else. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video, and please comment. I really love to read them. And how do I know all this stuff? Because I've already ascended and still leveling up. Goodbye.